The night feels different when you're on the
About it
road.
right now, everything's okay. No matter where you
Less
find
noise,
yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life,
less weight,
underneath it all, everything's actually all right.
just the city lights keeping you
You're okay.
company.
You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging,
The same turns,
painful, it's just a reminder to take
the
a little
same
bit better care of
streets,
yourself. Because you're worth it.
but tonight
You can have
it feels slower.
anytime you choose.
Like time finally decided to breathe. There's no rush to be anywhere. No reason to talk. Just ride.
You can have this
And let the road speak for you. Every light reflection, every empty lane, feels like a reminder. You're still here, still moving, still alive. You don't always need a plan.
everything's actually okay.
Sometimes the ride itself is enough.